Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to do the deep cleaning of my washroom. So the first thing is what you need to empty all the containers and put it aside. Look at the dirt and the bad smell. Okay, look at the stains over here. It's so bad as hell. And look at the mirror, very bad. And this look at the stains, it's very bad. All I need to do is clean the washroom very well now. So I'm going to remove all of this and remove the bucket, remove all the buckets, remove everything, and put the harpic all over the bathroom. And I'm going to rinse the bathroom with this faucet. Rinse. Yeah. Even the walls, don't forget to rinse the wall as well, because perfect. This corner, this as well. Rinse. Perfect. Nice. Rinse. And this is how you can do at your home also. If this video is helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, all right. Yeah, I've rinsed it all. Now it's time for harpic. Welcome to the harpic man. Okay, ring. Enough. Onto this thing. Ring. Enough. Okay, here as well. On the walls, little bit on the walls, on the wall. Oh my god. On the wall. Let me close this door. On the wall. All right, on the wall. Yes, because commode also needs it. Perfect. Draw your commode really well. Okay. 0 0 0 0 0 0. See, I'm doing a doodle on the commode, so when you sit on it next time, it's nice and fresh. This is the main part around it. Perfect. Little bit here and there. Yes. All right, so let's clean the loofah. Sorry. All right, so let's clean the bathroom with this loofah, and the work starts now. Let me put some water all over. Perfect. I think you should be cleaning your bathroom regularly. If you are using your washrooms, please do not forget to clean it. Have a separate bathroom in your room. Do not forget to clean it. Okay. So this is how I clean it. All the sides neat and nice. Look here. Look here. My God. It's going to look smackingly white. Also the underneath. Perfect. So that no dirt stays in. Yo. Neat and nice. Now let's do the commode. People who are wondering what is this, it is the light. Just in case you lost the electricity, and this is how it looks in the darkness. All right. Neat and nice. Neat and nice. Okay. Yeah. Neat. Now here comes the baddest part. Yeah. Neat. Smelling bad. Neat. Neat. Not more deeper. Okay, I'm gonna drop it off. I'm going to do it with my legs. Okay, with my legs on the floor. Neat. This part was really bad in the morning, so I'm gonna clean it very nicely. Clean. Because it was smelling too bad. Wash my hands. Also the corners. Okay. Even the walls. Pour water onto the walls and the floor as well. Clean. Clean and clean. This looks clean and neat to me. Nice. Yeah, this part as well. Clean and nice. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Right, thank you so much. I'll see you in some other video. Bye bye.